All right, so I'm going to introduce myself and then we're going to introduce Solubit. Is that okay? Okay, we'll do this Hollywood style. Don't put that one in there. So the whole purpose of Startup Assistance is to allow the engineers to select the right tools and to be able to pull them out of the box, get the software installed, and ultimately get them to the point where they're ready to start painting on the canvas that they need to paint. They're not struggling with which colors to use, which paint brushes to use. They're creating what they need to create, and that's the purpose of Startup Assistance. You could say Startup Assistance is here to really just help you begin right, and maybe it begins with selection, and then once you've got the selection, we're here to make sure that what you selected, you're out of the box and running with it. So you're at the point of, I've got the right things and I know the direction and the approach that I need to take.